Hi fellows, welcome to another video in the series, A Passage to Japan's Wonders. Have you ever lost your appetite on a hot summer day? I know I have. I tend to avoid heavy or rich foods during those times. How about you? Today, I'll take you on a refreshing journey through Japanese cuisine with cold noodle dishes, Hiyashi-Chuka, also known as Hiyashi-Ramen. In Japanese, the word Hiyashi means chilled or cold. I bet you've seen or heard about ramen, perhaps on social media. But have you heard of Hiyashi-Ramen? I'll show you what it is and then guide you in creating your own cold ramen or pasta. It's my take on the refreshing Hiyashi-Ramen, but with a pasta twist. Get ready to be creative and explore new flavors with cold pasta, or as I like to call it, Hiyashi-Pasta. Hiyashi-Ramen, often called Hiyashi-Chuka, is a delightful cold noodle dish that captures the essence of summer dining in Japan. Unlike traditional hot ramen, which features hearty broths and warm noodles, Hiyashi-Ramen offers a refreshing twist with its chilled noodles. We have prepared a sample Hiyashi-Ramen recipe for your reference. If you want to experiment, feel free to add or adjust the toppings to suit your taste or convenience. Now, let us show you how it can be made. First, prepare the toppings. Follow the directions in the showcase recipe or use your favorite ingredients such as julienne cucumber, sliced tomato, julienne ham, thin omelette slices, sliced onion, seaweed, pickled ginger, and toasted sesame seeds. Next, prepare the dressing. If you're using packaged Hiyashi-Chuka, you can use the included dressing. Otherwise, prepare your own by mixing soy sauce, rice vinegar, sugar, sesame oil, grated ginger, and minced garlic. Add mustard to taste if you like a bit of spice, or serve it on the side. While preparing the toppings and dressing, cook the noodles. Start by cooking 200 grams of ramen noodles according to the package instructions. Once cooked, rinse them well under cold water to stop the cooking process and cool them down. Lastly, assemble the dish. Arrange the chilled noodles in a bowl, top with your prepared ingredients, and pour over the dressing. Enjoy your homemade Hiyashi-Ramen, a perfect blend of flavors for a refreshing summer meal. Now, let me introduce you to Tantanmen, a ramen variant known for its spicy and savory broth, typically flavored with sesame paste, soy sauce, and chili oil. It often features stir-fried or ground pork seasoned with miso or sweet and savory sauces. Hiyashi-Tantanmen is a summertime adaptation of Tantanmen, originating from the spicy Sichuan-style dish. Unlike its hot counterpart, Hiyashi-Tantanmen features chilled ramen noodles topped with a spicy sesame-based sauce. This sauce is crafted from sesame paste, soy sauce, chili oil, and other seasonings, offering a rich and zesty contrast to the cool noodles. Fresh toppings such as cucumber, bean sprouts, and slices of tender char siu pork or chicken are added to enhance its flavors, making Hiyashi-Tantanmen a popular choice for its refreshing yet bold taste during Japan's warmer months. Those cold noodle dishes appear on restaurant menus and supermarket shelves generally around the beginning of June in Japan. People buy such packs of noodles, often sold in plastic bags containing 3 meals, to easily fix their meals. For those outside Japan wanting to experience a taste of Hiyashi noodles at home, a practical tip is to use pasta as a substitute for cold noodles. Personally, I prefer thin pasta like angel hair, but any pasta you like will work just fine. Follow the recipe and dressing instructions showcased earlier, replacing the noodles with the pasta to create your own delicious Hiyashi-Ramen. This adaptation allows you to enjoy the refreshing flavors of Hiyashi-Ramen with ingredients readily available in your local grocery store. If you get creative, cold pasta dishes offer endless possibilities. The video showcases a recipe using regular pasta. Try adding different vegetables like onions, avocados, spinach, or even alfalfa, and experiment with your ingredients. Swap out proteins with canned tuna, grilled shrimp, or even smoked salmon. Play with various dressings. How about a spicy peanut sauce, a tangy lemon vinaigrette, or a creamy miso dressing? The goal is to mix and match to discover your favorite combination. Whether you replicate authentic Hiyashi-Ramen or get creative in making your own recipe, the choice is yours. Enjoy your culinary adventure, and see you soon on the next episode. Until then, stay cool and healthy.